So first MCP on. Okay.
Yeah.
Next you come pen and put. This switch na. First switch you on, sir.
Okay.
This first switch on. Red color indication coming.
Yeah.
Red color indication mean machine on, power on.
Okay.
Machine automatically water take. Automatically within our 10 minute or 20 minute maximum. 20 minute.
Okay.
Water automatic take.
Okay.
Automatic cut off.
Okay.
Open. 1, 2, 3 tank filling na.
Okay.
Automatic 3 tank fill. Automatic machine cut off. Okay.
Okay.
Next, see sir, boiler 85 degree, main thing, boiler 85 degree, tank 65 degree. Next, green color indication coming. Green color mean ready, machine ready.
Okay, so after 85 degrees Celsius, he will come to green.
No, 85, 65.
Okay, 85 to 65.
65.
60, what is tank means?
Tank mean tank temperature.
Okay, tank temperature will be
This one
50.
85 boiler temperature.
Okay.
Okay.
Boiler.
See, this one boiler.
Okay, this is boiler.
Boiler.
And tank is there.
3 tank.
3 tank is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
65 ready indication coming. Next, only this button, play button. One time start enough. See, like this way, or you put it this way, or the
Okay, another way we can also put.
Put
So how to change the rotation of the belt?
Belt this way rotation, sir. This way entry, that one exit.
Yeah, okay, but in our case, that will be entry and this will be exit.
This one exit.
Yeah.
No. Machine coming only right
One way.
One way.
So no. It's not possible because the.
One time you try it, sir.
Yeah. Yes, please.
That one stop, conveyor not move. Motor also not run.
Okay.
That one only play button.
Okay. And what is the use of this indicator?
Suppose any power reverse coming na, this indication coming.
Okay, so powers reverse when matlab any fault.
No. Any suppose heating coil, motor or electrical, anything problem is there inside, immediately orange color indication coming.
Okay.
No red, green color or blue color not coming. Only orange color indication coming.
Okay.
This
So
one
any
error.
fault, this will be showing fault.
Fault. This one fault.
And what is the use of this?
Emergency switch. Suppose inside rack, 2 rack or 3 rack going to jam na. MCB going outside. That long.
So this is easy for the switch off the
Just-
machine.
Just press it, sir.
Yeah, just press it and
Off.
okay.
Totally off.
And after that, this we need to.
Release immediately on.
Okay.
Remove the all vessels. You started.
Okay.
Okay, sir. You electrical problem?
Yeah.
Electrical. See, sir. That one main button.
Okay, we will come from that side. I think.
No. This one main.
Okay, this one is main. Okay.
See, that one 3-phase back side only line is there.
Yeah.
That one single preventive maintenance. This one. Convert 3-phase ulta coming.
Yeah.
See, dark indication coming na. Power is ready. No issue.
Okay.
Suppose this light on off. RIB ulta coming.
Okay.
Always
So we need to change this
see,
sequence.
Change already. I am changed it. No.
Okay.
RYB first mission coming na. I am mission on your side.
Yeah,
RYB
so
ulta
we need to
coming.
change. We need to change this only.
No.
Yeah, from main supply.
No, this only I am changed it.
Yeah, you have changed this, but when we will use
You
we
change
need-
it main.
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 Okay.
Suppose this light on off coming. RIB ulta coming.
Okay.
You change the main panel only.
Okay.
That one no. Now I am change it this way.
Okay.
Suppose next time you want any problem, you call just confirm. Next
Okay.
you change it, sir.
Okay.
Best.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. That one no. This one thermostat. Automatic set it. Already setting is there.
Okay, so we can't move this, I think.
No.
This is sealed, no?
Sealed is there.
Okay.
Suppose you emergency, you high temperature going na, just you call
Okay.
my mobile, you just adjust it, no problem.
So it's 50, 82.
This one tank
This one is tank.
thermostat.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this one boiler 82 na boiler.
Okay, so both boiler will be controlled from there.
There two boiler.
Okay, and this will be controlled.
Two tank, one two.
One,
Separate one tank is thermostat is there.
Acha, okay, that one.
Separate thermostat.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
That one.
And what is the use of these contactors?
This one full heating, a motor or heating. See, they. I'm already. This one not right at. This one three conductors is there na motor, pump motor.
Okay.
See, first 1, 2, 3 pump conductor.
So that pump.
1, 2, 3 blue color is there na.
Yeah.
3 pump motor conductor. Suppose inside is stuck, you change it conduct, machine is working. Sometime inside going stuck conductor.
Yeah.
You just machine off, remove. Suppose release, no problem. Stuck, you change the only conductor.
Okay.
Otherwise, nothing.
And what is the use of this?
Heating kind of sir. Boiler 2.
Okay.
2 boilers there na.
Okay, so this element will be operate from that
conductor to turret going.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Correct.
See red color cap is
So
there.
how do I identify which contactor will be used for that one?
Color coding is there, sir. First heating at this one. First conductor.
Okay.
Second, 3, 4, last.
Okay. How you know?
Just continue to you check it, sir.
Okay.
Wiring
Okay.
is there na.
Okay.
See wiring is there, see sir. The wire na.
Okay.
See sir, this wire.
Acha, we need to identify first.
This see.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
wire.
Yeah.
This one.
This is coming from there.
And this one conductor. Next tank will come in a
Yeah.
conductor. This one conductor.
So what is the load capacity of the
8
element?
kilowatt, sir.
8 kilowatt?
One coil 8 kilowatt.
Okay.
Okay, one coil is 8 kilowatt. This one 8 kilowatt. That tank, two tank na 6 kilowatt.
Okay. So that one 6 kilowatt, and this is 8 kilowatt.
8 kilowatt. 8 to 9.
Okay. Correct. This is very
8
okay.
to 9.
Okay. And this what is the use of this?
This one the ready thermostat, sir. Ready thermostat. Suppose green color light not coming na, this adjuster ready is coming.
Okay.
Safety purpose.
For safety.
Safety purpose.
Highest limit, I think.
Suppose one thing plus or minus is there na.
Yeah.
Thermostat.
Okay.
That one means main electrical panel is there. Come, sir. Sir, red color.
Yeah.
That way incoming, outgoing power is coming. That way indication coming. But red color indication on not coming na. You just open 4 screw.
Okay.
Just open 4 screw. Remove the panel.
Okay. This is control panel.
Main panel, sir. See, sir.
Yeah. This is very important part.
Sir.
Yeah.
See, sir. First you check it the cable. Suppose loose connection is there na. See. Suppose loose connection. The
Okay.
cable moving na.
Yeah.
This way. Mission on, not on. Power not
Not on,
coming.
yeah.
Just you answer first button. Power not
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah.
Red
Power
color
not coming,
indication
but both indicator is coming.
Temperature coming, but the display not coming.
Yeah. Display not coming. Yeah. Correct.
That one check it cable.
Okay.
Mission off, sir. First. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Just you check it properly this cable first. Suppose cable okay. Suppose power not coming.
Yeah.
You check fuse.
Okay.
Two fuse is there. See. Suppose the mission on, sir. Mission on. See. This
Yeah.
fuse is going, not coming power.
Correct.
Okay. Suppose this wire, 2 wire is there. This is only AC voltage.
Yeah.
The 2 wire, any single wire remove, not coming power.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose this one fuse is there, the continuous fuse. No problem. Machine on, sir. This one
Now off.
On.
Okay. On.
That one main electrical, sir.
Okay.
Machine will start, sir. One time start. Then no, this button.
Yeah.
The indicator not coming. Check the fuse this side.
Okay.
Fuse is there na?
So after this button, if we are going to operate the machine
Huh.
on this button, if in that
Power
case
not
it's
coming.
not on, yeah.
The sound is
We need to check that,
that one.
PCB card.
PCB card. TC drive. Conveyor belt moving na?
Okay.
There's power check it fuse.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
So there this PCB card in use for conveyor,
Conveyor.
and this for
Main
other
PCB.
electrical controls.
Main full and full
Yeah.
control.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
And that one?
Water sensor. Water cut off na? Water cut off, no problem.
Okay.
Water continues coming, no cut off. That one problem.
Okay. This will be maintained of water level.
Water level sensor.
Okay. Okay. Or anything we need to check and other.
Only check it REB. This one fuse, cable, wire.
Okay. Or incoming of this, I think. Power incoming. Yeah.
Power incoming. Wait. See, is there, sir? Power incoming. Line, phase, neutral.
Okay.
That one main supply.
Okay.
Suppose fuse is gone, not coming.
Yeah. And any support to relay and the other working units check? No.
No, nothing. Only one
nothing.
PCB card.
Okay. And what is the use of that one?
That one SSR, sir. SSR mean AC volt, cut it TC volt. Motor SSR is there.
Okay.
Or two SSR motor safety.
Okay.
Safety.
This is for safety.
Safety purposes.
And what is the use of
This one speed controller.
Okay, the conveyor speed. Okay.
Now,
we need to increase the conveyor speed. We need to increase
rotate
the
this one.
rotate
now,
this one.
Now, not rotate, sir. Now is okay. See, I'm one time.
What is the meaning of 60? I think 60 per minute RPM.
Minute conveyor, moving second.
Okay.
Come, sir. I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Come, sir. This side.
And there only water main supply connected and hose will connected.
Don't close. Open only anytime open. Machine on only take the water. Otherwise not take water.
And this is blower. This is conveyor motor.
Which one, sir?
This one.
No. The wheel, na? Wheel. Inside wheel is there, sir. See. The wheel. See, sir. This wheel is come with this side, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Wheel adjustment.
No. This one. This is the motor.
This one rings pressure pump, sir. DC.
Okay.
Boiler 2.
Okay.
Spray, na?
This is pressure pump.
Pressure
Or where is conveyor motor?
Conveyor motor, no. Only gear, sir. This one gear. Gear attached, sir. This one. Downside is there, sir. See.
Yeah, I am asking for this one.
This one rings booster pump.
This one is booster pump.
Booster pump. See, this one fix it, please.
Okay.
Final rings, na?
But who is moving? Or how it moving?
This one. Only chain moving, sir. Only chain.
How?
Wait, sir.
There is mechanical power.
No, mechanical is there. See, this one, sir.
That one is, I think, gear motor.
Gear motor, sir.
Yeah,
This one gear motor. This one spray arm. This one is there, na? Final rings spray arm. The inside is there, downside is there.
And water boosting is that pump only.
Control PCB.
Well, 3 pumps.
Control main PCB, sir.
Okay. Yeah, okay. And anything else? Every
6 hours one time, change the water. Only pipe is there, na pipe. Pipe just remove. Water
Okay.
full going outside. Hold it.
okay. That pipe. You mean that pipe?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, SS pipe.
Yes,
huh?
yes, pipe.
We need to remove it. It will directly
Automatic
go
going
to
outside.
drain out.
One time I am showing, sir.
Okay. And how many crates we will pull out in 1 minute, 1 hour?
Sir, you continue
idea?
to continuously
No, any idea? Matlab,
Sir,
specific.
the at a time 6 rack you going inside.
Okay, at a one time, 6 rate
rack.
we can adjust in this machine.
6 rack.
And what time we will in and out?
One rack will you put it same 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
So-
Whole cycle.
Okay.
Whole
So
cycle.
if we will in the crate, after 3 minutes it will be out.
Out. Suppose you only one rack you put it 3 minutes. You 6 rack put it 3 minutes.
Correct. Understood. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Any doubt is there?
No, not now. If anything else, we will discuss to you on phone.
You can't. Sir.
Yeah.
You just check it. You marking.
Any machine model number? You seen?
This is serial number.
Yeah, model number.
Then
Okay.
I am fix it. I am your photo, sir.
Yeah.